So I'm trying to eliminate the external fuel pump as they keep burning out, and I'm not sure why. So I'm rather now I bought this drop-in high pressure one. So this is a 3.8 bar fuel pump, and then as you can see, it's almost the same size as this one. This one is low pressure, this one is high pressure. So we'll be replacing this here, and then this hose over here is gonna be replacing, as you can see, the fuel hose. So yeah, let me take this one out here. These two fuel pumps, as you can see, they are almost the same. Well, they're actually the same, but one is high pressure and one doesn't do high pressure. So as you can see, even these connectors are interchangeable. Here it is, all finished up. What's next now is to remove the current in tank pump and replace it with this one. Okay, so here's the final setup. So this is the feed to the to the fuel injectors up front, and this right here is the return line. This is how it looks like where the external pump used to be. So this line that's on your screen, this one right here, is coming directly from the tank, from the fuel pump, and then it goes through this thing, and then from here it goes directly to the front. And then if you check here, it's the wires that used to connect the external pump. So I need a better way to put them here, but I just neatly put them that way. So let's go work on the top side of the fuel pump. Okay, so the car has now started, and one thing that I've noticed is that the idle is actually lower. Let's look for leaks. So if we come to the connections here, it's dry, and you can't actually even hear the pump operate. And then let's go underneath here where I made another connection. Also dry. Let's check out up front. Yeah.
He's gonna give you archive. There or there.